During your backpacking trip, energy bars, trail mix, and other food will do just fine for the day. But when it's time to relax for the night, nothing compares to a hot meal following a long tiring day on the trails. Though it is often an oxymoron to eat well on a backpacking trip, an appropriate backpacking stove will dramatically boost your overall experience. That's why in today's video we're going to talk about the 5 best backpacking stoves of 2021 that are fuel efficient, lightweight, dependable, and easily packable. So let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Let's start this list with one of Snow Peak's most iconic products, the GigaPower Stove 2.0. This backpacking stove exemplifies a combination of elegant design, powerful heat output, and durable functionality. One of the most appealing aspects of this stove is its 3.2 ounces weight, though it features a stainless steel and aluminum construction. It uses canister fuel and can produce a powerful heat output of 10,000 BTUs, which allows you to cook meals and boil 1 liter of water in less than 5 minutes. You can take this ultra-lightweight backpacking stove anywhere with you, especially when trying to pack as light as possible. Overall, the GigaPower Stove 2.0 is a perfect lightweight stove for cooking outdoors with maximum stability, and with its rapid boiling time, this is an essential component to any camping or backpacking trip. Providing you with the option to burn nearly any fuel source including white gas and isobutane propane, the legend continues with the MSR WhisperLite Universal backpacking stove. This hybrid fuel stove delivers the ease of canister fuel and switches quickly over to liquid fuels for longer trips and cold weather conditions. It burns a variety of fuels available worldwide, including white gas, kerosene, unleaded gasoline, and isobutane propane. It can boil 1 liter of water in only 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and with just 20 ounces of white gas, it has a maximum burn time of 1 hour and 50 minutes. Its patent-pending air control technology is unique, delivering amazing low fuel performance with all compatible fuels. And finally, the MSR WhisperLite Universal is easy to maintain and can be an amazing option for you if you're looking for a hybrid fuel backpacking stove for yourself. At number 3, we have an amazing canister style stove for you. As the name suggests, the Soto Windmaster can easily be ignited in windy conditions. It is meticulously engineered to maintain an intense flame in stormy weather without any problem. It has a compelling heat output of 11,000 BTUs. With the included igniter, auto ignition feature, and installation of the micro-regulator, you can start the Windmaster quickly and it'll maintain a consistent output. This stove is shock resistant as well, which adds to its durable die-cast aluminum construction. It's efficient, and its built-in piezo igniter sends out an electric spark that starts the flame once the gas is turned on, so you don't need a match for it. In short, the Soto Windmaster is a cooking powerhouse ideal for adventure travelers needing a compact, efficient, and ultralight canister style stove for backpacking, remote travel, or any outdoor use. Who does not know the name JetBoil? Featuring unmatched versatility, efficiency, and compact design, the MightyMo from JetBoil works just fine with the basic cookware and allows you to simmer, saute, or cook your meals on your backpacking adventures precisely the way you do at home. On top of its 10,000 BTUs of powerful heat output, one of its most appealing features is its 4-turn simmer adjustment. That means you can adjust it according to need and quickly boil water and cook large meals. It can also deliver reliable and consistent performance even down to 20°F or -6°C. You can conveniently fold it and carry it in the included pouch. And finally, there's an included canister stabilizer for stable cooking over uneven surfaces. In a sense, the JetBoil MightyMo is a universal canister stove perfect for your backpacking adventures with ultra-compact design, powerful heat output, and precise heat adjustment. In the backcountry environments, colder weather or low fuel causes a stove to operate slowly, but the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is meticulously designed and engineered for fast boil time across a broader range of temperatures. With 10,400 BTUs of power output, it features a large burner and is intentionally designed to provide faster boil time. You can light it with just a push of a button, and its internal pressure regulator allows you to operate efficiently, especially in the cold winter mornings. This lightweight aluminum-made stove is very compact and packable. Weighing at around 2.9 ounces, it packs a ton of performance. It is an excellent choice for 3-season users. All in all, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe carries forward the legacy of MSR's best-selling PocketRocket stoves, packs premium features, and delivers the most reliable performance as you would expect from a top-notch canister stove. So that was all about the 5 best backpacking stoves of 2021. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.